Introducing Advanced Eco Reactor AER, an innovative and sustainable solution to clean wastewater. AER STP is developed by Organic Solutions to counter the problems faced by conventional sewage treatment plants. AER STP turns wastewater into two valuable products, clean water and nutritious organic fertilizer. Our solution is scientific and eco-friendly and can be scaled up from 2,000 liters per day to 5 million liters per day capacity. So, how does it work? First, the wastewater goes through a primary filtration system where a coarse and a fine bar screen is provided to retain the large inorganic solids. In plants of large capacities more than 1 mld, the primary treatment system also includes a tube settler to filter out primary sludge, which is converted into vermicompost on site. The water from the primary treatment module then flows into the equalization tank, from where it is pumped into the fermentation tank, which has baffles to direct the water in a sinusoidal manner. OS1 microbial culture is also added at this stage to reduce the sludge bulking and for the hydrolysis of suspended solids. The water from this tank is sprinkled into the Advanced Eco Reactor Bed 1. The first layer has specially bred vermiculture. The earthworms eat the polluted solids that get trapped in the AER bed. As they digest, they produce a casting which contains bacteria that work towards reducing the contaminants dissolved in the water. The burrowing action of the earthworms results in natural aeration in the STP. The water then flows into the second layer, which consists of locally available carbon-rich organic material, which provides housing to the biomass and also acts like a food source for the living ecosystem. This layer provides a large surface area for the development and growth of a complex microbial ecosystem, which further decomposes the organic load and nutrients present in the wastewater. The water then trickles down the third layer containing inert material to increase the adsorption rate of the reactor. The water finally flows down the drainage layer comprising gravel or aggregate to filter out microsolids. The water then collects in a collection tank, from where it is pumped into the Advanced Eco Reactor Bed 2, where the same process is repeated. The number of AER beds is designed according to the organic load of the effluent. The water then flows into the ozone contact chamber for final polishing and disinfection. The tertiary treatment system further removes suspended or dissolved solids and microbial contamination. The water then flows into the treated water tank, where it is stored for reuse. The recovered water can be reused for river rejuvenation, household work, irrigation, industrial use and construction work. Final treated water meets the CPCB and NGT discharge standards for reuse. Now let's shift focus to the benefits of installing an AER STP. AER STP uses 65 to 70% less energy and can run on solar power. There is no daily, weekly or monthly sludge handling. No technical manpower is required to operate the STP. No widespread odor or noise pollution. An STP is an asset, not a liability, and it blends with the surroundings. High-quality treated water is made available for recycling. So let's recycle wastewater with sustainability and help in conserving this precious resource. Organic Solutions Advanced Eco Reactor, sustainable by nature, innovative by design.